Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that KEYCAT token is a legit or scam. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video shouldn't be taken as a financial advice. Please make your investment according to your own research. Firstly, you will open this token on CoinMarketCap. And here you will check public comment like bullish and bearish comment. Now here you can check every comments in detail related to scam and copy this address. After that open DEX tool and here you will paste address. Then you will open this token. So here you will check community trust. And you can see audit scan. Now here you can check buying and selling transaction detail. After that go to CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you will check that this token is available or not on popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com, Huobi, K.io, Bybit, OKX and MEXC exchange. After that click on this contract address. After that go to holder section. Now here you can check holders transaction details. If I share my opinion with you, then this project 30% chances is that it is a scam and 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.